have a challenge for you. Find the cube root of 970299. If you want to solve this in just 5 seconds, then watch this video till the end. So in continuation with Vedic Maths Trick series, I am back with another trick. In this trick, we will discuss an easy way to find the cube root of any number in just few seconds. So now let's take a number and find its cube root by this trick. So the step 1 of this trick is that you have to see the last digit of this number. Here you can see that the last digit of this number is 7. So if the last digit of this number is 7, then the last digit of our cube root will be 3. Now how did I get this? So we have an entire table for finding out the last digit of cube roots where the last digit of number is given. So here I am telling you about it. So when the last digit of number will be 1, then the last digit of cube root will be 1. When it will be 4, then for the cube root also the last digit will be 4. Similarly, when it will be 5, 6 and 9, the last digit of cube root will remain same and it will be 5, 6 and 9. But when it will be 2, then there will be a slight change in the last digit of cube root. So when the last digit of number will be 2, then last digit of cube root will be 8. Similarly, when last digit of number will be 8, then last digit of cube root will be 2. And similarly, when last digit of number will be 7, last digit of cube root will be 3. And when it will be 3, then last digit of cube root will be 7. So this is a small table which you have to remember. And after remembering this table, you will be able to find the cube root of even very large numbers like 7 or 8 digit numbers. Now this table is very easy to remember. You just have to remember two things. For numbers like 1, 4, 5, 6 and 9, the cube root last digit will remain same. There will be no change. There will be only change in two numbers when it will be either 2 or when it will be either 3. When it will be either 2, then in the cube root we will put 8. The last digit will be 8. And when it will be 8, then it will be opposite, it will be 2. Similarly, when it will be 3 in the cube root, we will put 7, and when it will be 7, we will do the opposite and we will put 3. So I hope that you will be easily able to remember this table. Now let's start with the trick. So here we have done the step 1. As the last digit of this number was 7, so we have put the last digit of cube root as 3. Now let's do the step 2. So in step 2, what you have to do is that you have to ignore the last 3 digits from right hand side. So starting from right hand side, you have to ignore the 3 digits. So we don't have to see 1, 6 and 7 now. We will deal with only the other digits that are 1 and 2. So we will deal with only 12. Now what you have to do is that from this leftover number, you have to check that this number falls between the perfect cubes of which two numbers. So you have to check that this 12 is coming between the cubes of which two numbers. You can see that 2 cube is 8 and 3 cube is 27. So this 12 is falling between 8 and 27. It is falling between 2 cube and 3 cube. For this trick, you must remember the cubes of 1 to 10. Now what you have to do is that you have to take the lower number from this. So you can see that out of 2 and 3, the lower number is 2. So that's why this 2 will be the first digit of our cube root. And this 23 will be our answer. So in this trick, just you have to take the last digit of the number, and using the table you have to find the last digit of square cube root. Then for the first digit, you have to ignore the last 3 digits. Take the leftover digits. See that it comes in the cubes of which two numbers. Take the lower number from that and put it in front of this last digit. This will be your answer. So now here we have a 6-digit number, and we will again solve the cube root very easily. Now again following the steps. Step 1, see the last digit of this number. The last digit is 3. So if it is 3 of the number, then what will be the last digit of our cube root? That will be 7. So Here I am writing the cube root. So last digit of cube root will be 7. And now we have to find the first digit. So for first digit, what you have to do, you have to ignore the last 3 digits from the right hand side and take the other digits that are 185. Now you have to see that this 185 is coming between the cubes of which two numbers? You can see that this 185 is coming between 125 and 216. That is, it is coming between 5 cube and 6 cube. So this means that we will take the lower number from these, that is 5. Now what we will do, that we will just put this 5 in front of this 7 and this 57 will be our cube root. So itna आसान है cube root निकालना. So here we have the question which I asked you in the beginning. You have to find the cube root of 970,299. Again we will use the trick and find the answer in just a few seconds. But if you follow the conventional method and solve the cube root by prime factorization or long division method, then it will take very long. But let's see how we can solve it easily with the help of this trick. So just you have to see the last digit. This is 9. As the last digit of number is 9, the last digit of cube root will also be 9 because it remains the same. You can check the table. Then ignore the last 3 digits. Take the other digits which are 970. Check that this 970 is coming between the cubes of which two numbers? It is coming between 9 cube and 10 cube. So 9 cube is 7 to 9, 10 cube is 1000. It is coming between both of these numbers. Now you have to choose the lower one of them, that is 9 cube. So you will put 9 in front of this other 9 and this will be your cube root. So cube root of 970,299 is 99. So you can see that such a big number can also be solved in just few seconds. So here I am giving you few practice questions so that you can improve your calculation skills. If you like the video, then do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. If you have any doubts, then write in the comment box. Thank you.